Hey, everybody, this is Dr. J. Kamal and Rochester, live from Long Island, New York, and New Hampshire. Is that opposed to Old Hampshire?
Yeah, I was near Old Hampshire about a week ago in London.
Uh-huh. So you were in London, Amsterdam, and parts of Portugal.
Copenhagen, actually, not Amsterdam, but yeah.
Okay, fine. Copenhagen. So you really got around.
I really got around. What I learned when I was there is European people don't work.
Uh-huh.
Everyone's always outside drinking wine and not working.
So what are they all on the dole, socialist?
Yeah, especially Copenhagen. Their history of oil money, and now it's just a huge social safety net. They don't have to do anything really. They just chill.
Not a bad way of life.
Yeah,
We'll
but
all we'll all have that. The robots are coming, so
yeah, maybe. Well, they don't care about growth over there either. They just care about way of life. So their their economy is not as good as ours.
so you were in the southernmost part of Europe, the northernmost part of Europe, and the
The most American part of Europe.
and the westernmost part.
Yeah. Yeah, London felt like New York. Everyone was working.
All right, so let's. You want to present? Well, you're going to do the macro today, I think.
Yeah, we can do the macro, and then I don't really have much else that I need to do just because I've been out a while, so I just want to catch up on.
Can you do the like Bitcoin, ETH, SPY, IWM?
Yeah,
Uh, maybe,
BTBT.
which one? Whatever Kamal said.
BTBT.
BTBT.
Okay.
Sure.
All right, so let me. Wait a second. I got to put this on. And it's loading.
Yeah, should just take a sec.
Also, SILJ, ETF for the silver miners, and also NVO. Novo took a big hit. Thinking of coming back in. I owned it, sold it, and I think I want back in. Just a question of how much more the downside, you know.
Yeah.
Novo is Ozempic and Wegovy. What's the other one? Something like that.
Yeah, something. I think that sounds right. But yeah, I mean, last time I charted this with you all, we drew this sort of Zoom funnel channel, and seems to have broken down out of it. But that being said, it looks like Friday we basically lost the 20-day moving average, but we're still above the 50-day on Friday, and then today we regained everything, closed at the highs. We almost filled the gap, or did we fill the gap?
It looks like it's filled the gap.
Yeah, let's see. 6:30. Yeah, filled the gap. Nice.
I think we either get another leg down tomorrow or it's up and away.
Yeah, the low from Friday looks like it was higher than the low from July 16th, so that's a good sign. But yeah, I mean, I sort of see 50-50 odds here that we retest the 50-day, which might not even be that bad of a thing because the 50-day basically coincides with the prior highs before this breakout. So maybe we just have to retest the breakout.
Or at least retest Friday's low.
Yeah. Yeah, the breakout level is about 613. Friday's low was 626. So neither level is super painful, but it's
Why,
Yeah.
You'd be
why are you
annoying.
thinking that we have to retest the lows again? I mean,
Because I was talking to Professor Omar. He fills my head with bad things, bad thoughts.
oh,
I mean, I don't think we necessarily have to. I just think
No, he
that
doesn't either. He says if it doesn't happen tomorrow or day after another leg down, then it'll go up to like 665.
because today's
665.
candle is really good.
Yeah, it definitely looks good. The fact that it closed at the highs is nice.
Yeah, no, it looks. I think probably we'll make new highs. More likely.
Yeah, we'll
Uh,
see how quickly we regain momentum, but if we don't, then I might have to remove this funnel channel and draw something else next time. But for now, I'll keep it. I think it's still somewhat relevant.
Yeah, I might come back into it.
Yeah, so I don't want to remove it yet. It's only been a few days, so.
All right. Try BTC.
Yeah, BTC I've been quite bullish on. And yeah, I mean, this one looks to have still more relative strength than almost everything else I'm seeing. Like, it's a pretty clear trend line up that even that pullback Friday didn't really scare me too much because it quickly bounced off the 50-day.
Sure did.
Yeah, and then seems to not have had really much of an issue at all.
No range. No range today.
Yeah, today was a bit odd. I mean, it didn't have the same strength as SPY, but I think that, I mean, we're above the 50. I think that same breakout level, like maybe we retest it there, but anytime this hits the 50-day, I've been buying it. I'm really quite
What
bullish
what was the percent gain?
today.
Yeah,
Only a 0.7, so not huge.
I bet you Ethereum did better.
Yeah, I mean, we can definitely take a look. I think that this one though, I did buy a bit on Friday, or I didn't buy Bitcoin, but I bought some similar crypto plays Friday, and I'm gonna continue to just be pretty bullish this.
I've been adding to ETHB and the bmnr.
Yeah, let's look at Ethereum. Don't do this. Yeah, ETH, I mean, I don't own any of this personally, but it looks like, I mean, this one it's a lot more volatile than Bitcoin. And I think generally like the drawdown that it saw during the early part of the year was really pronounced, whereas Bitcoin sort of held its levels, but this tends to just be a risk on even compared to Bitcoin. So I think if you're bullish Bitcoin, this one might just run to 4,500 or 5,000. I mean, I think it could hit 5,000 before the end of the year.
Remember that a while ago we looked at that when Lumley said 5,000. We looked at it when it was below 3.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, here I'm seeing like cup and handle like activity. So, I mean, this could be just like cup was formed, handle is now breaking, and then once it can get above the prior highs, 4,000, it could really run. So,
What's the all-time high? 4,800.
no, it's not that high. It's only about 4150.
Uh huh.
Yeah, so I mean, I think this one still has some work to do. It might be tricky for this one to really break out until it can show that this high from July 27th wasn't a fluke, but yeah, this is interesting. I like Bitcoin better. I still think it seems safer, but this one, it's starting to look like it might have a lot of room to run. But I'm going to be very wary around these levels. Let's see what happens.
First, the spike brainwashed me. I'm now into it.
You got a lot?
Not a lot, but I'm buying it regularly.
Yeah.
DCA.
BC.
Take a note. BMNR.
BMMLR.
No, BMN.
BMNR. Okay. There it is.
Tom Lee's company.
You got to do like 1 month.
Yeah, I got to do like 1 day basically. This one's crazy. Yeah, we've looked at this one before. I mean, there's not a whole lot to talk about. I mean, I don't know about this company really. We might have talked about it, but do you have information you want to share?
Peter Thiel invested in it. Kathy Wood, another big shot, invested just now. They're
Okay.
partnered up good. And Tom Lee is sharp. He's the head of the board, chairman of the board. And it's a treasury company, Ethereum treasury.
Yeah, I mean, it's back to the breakout level. It retraced everything, but
I think it's going to match MicroStrategy.
Yeah, I mean, if you like it, you should buy it now, I think, because, I mean, even if it goes down to 25, it's really not material, and it might not.
DCA.
DCA?
Don't care about what it is now, just keep buying.
Yeah. Dollar cost average, that makes sense. Yeah, we can look at Palantir. I mean, I don't think anybody here owns it, but yeah, I've been in and out of this one a million times, and I haven't owned it. I mean, I haven't even owned it this year, I don't think. I haven't owned it in the triple digits, but
I never made money on it. I was in it and sold it for a loss.
I think I doubled my money on it and then never really made much after that. But yeah, I mean, either way, I mean, this is just beautiful ascending. I don't even need to draw a trend line. The 20-day is perfect. I mean, it's a beast. It's new all-time highs every 7 to 10 days. I was really skeptical of this company early on, but now I think it's just a beast. The government contracts that it has are probably just going to keep this pretty evergreen for a while. I
hate looking at the chart.
Yeah.
Because I don't own it.
Fair enough. Kamal, what was the one you wanted to do?
BTBT.
BTVT.
BTBT.
Oh, BTBT. Bit Digital. Okay. Let's take a look.
Competitor to BMNR.
Very interesting. Yeah, let's see what we can glean here.
Did well today, right?
Did pretty well.
Do you still have it, Mr. J? Do you still have it?
I still have it.
Yeah, I don't own any of this. It's up against the resistance from February, but I mean, what a day today. It closed at the highs, closed above the 200. The 50, like a lot of these crypto plays, anytime it goes below or at it, it seems like it's a fairly good decision to add. I mean, I think it could pull back.
What did we buy it at, Kamal? I forgot.
My average was 309.
Well,
Okay.
do you know what mine is?
No.
I don't know. I don't remember.
So you're basically even.
Yeah.
How long have you both been in this?
Like a week or two tops.
Oh, okay.
But I had a lot of shares and I sold them all today. I'm thinking I'm gonna buy it again if it dips.
Yeah, I like that strategy too. I like
They
this at the 50 day. Anytime it goes down to the 50, I'll buy it. But right now I think it could pull back.
Yeah, if it goes below 3, I'll definitely buy it. Anytime below 3, I'll buy it.
The CEO is a sharp guy, Sam Toba, something like that.
Oh yeah, I've heard of him. Yeah, so I think it's at resistance right now, but I think it's going to do something like this, and then I think this could get back to $4 pretty easily once it can just break through this resistance.
I
Yeah.
keep
I'm planning to buy it again.
Yeah, I just add.
I think I'll join you when you buy it next. I like the sub 3 level. I might even try for like 290, but maybe that's a little greedy.
Yeah, it's not greedy.
But either way, I think this should return 30% gains if you have some patience.
Don't buy it all at one time.
Yeah. It's an interesting chart. I'll add it to my watch list. I wasn't.
I'm salivating at NVO. I owned it at like 90, made some money on it. Now it's like half price.
So they were getting beat up because of all those Ozempic generic competitors, correct?
And also the tariffs, right?
Yeah.
What are they?
I think
What country are they? Are they Denmark? No, they're not.
Yeah, they're Danish. Yeah, they're I was just in Copenhagen, and you can see them everywhere. I think these levels are the smart levels to buy them at. I mean, it gave up over half its value based on what tariffs and fear of
Tariffs and the Lilly competition, Lilly.
Yeah, but I mean, it's like the levels that it's at now, we haven't seen in almost a year.
I think Ozempic is still number one drug.
Yeah, they're going to have the first mover advantage there for sure. But like, I think even if you don't love this company, like this is the correct level to become bullish because
But again, don't buy all at one time.
Yeah, I agree. It's a falling knife, but I think $45 to $50, like I think I'm gonna buy some after the show just to own it.
Warning you, don't buy all at one time. It could go down more.
Yeah, for sure. But I want to own a little now because
just take a look at the long term.
Yeah.
See if there's any support.
No, there is. I mean, I just looked at the 5-year and there's definitely support here. There's no question. The question is if you're willing to hold if it breaks below that support, and the answer might be no. I mean, you may want to nibble here, but if it has a week below $45, that becomes scary.
What does this company do? What does this company do again?
Big Pharma.
It's like Ozempic.
You heard of the Ozempic?
It's a Danish pharmaceutical, yeah.
The competition for Lilly on what's their drug? Mounjaro.
So why is it down this much?
Well, it's down this much because of a mix of tariff fears and then competitors like Eli Lilly. And I mean, Ozempic has a lot of generic competitors that are coming out, but I mean, I'm not convinced that means this should have dropped by 70%.
And they have a pipeline, a real pipeline, you know.
Yeah, I'll probably do a deeper dive on like their market cap and PE and all that stuff, but I think I'm gonna nibble a little after the show, buy some after hours, and then wait to see what happens at this long-term support line. And if it bounces off that nicely, I think this could go back up to $75.
You could retrace the whole game, but maybe not so quick, the whole loss. May take a year.
It looks like Lilly in a way, the chart. If you look up LLY,
I mean, a lot of these companies are trading similarly due to tariffs, but I mean, Lilly just is a much stronger chart overall.
It is U.S. So.
I mean, this is this chart I'm much more interested in just purely because of the long-term trend, but I'm willing to basement shop on Novo Nordisk, and
you're getting a name, for half price.
Yeah,
but you have what kind of chart do you have? Do you have 6 months? You don't have 6 months.
Well, I mean, Eli Lilly has just been range bound for a long time. I mean, it's just been choppy. It's been like slow, steady downtrend.
You do the 6 months. You see how it dropped? It dropped the way NVO dropped.
Yeah, but it wasn't as pronounced. I mean, I see what you're saying, but yeah, like it's based on that like gradual drop was based on the same news, tariffs.
The interest sensitive stocks did well today. Check IWM. It should have had a good day.
Yeah, the Russell. Yeah. I mean, I saw a stat that was really interesting today. The S&P, if you take out the top 10 names, the other 490 have basically showed no annual year-over-year earnings growth. I think that's pretty telling, and that's a reason why I haven't really been super interested in small caps.
If the rates come down, it'll do well.
It will, but I mean, I don't think we're going to see rate cuts. I thought we were not going to see them in July. We didn't. I still think September is a maybe. I'm not convinced.
It's 88%.
I'm still not convinced because last time it was 80% and then it dropped to 70 and then we didn't have them for July. I think Powell is waiting on the real tariff data and he's going to get it from Q2 earnings. And then we'll see. I think he still needs to digest, like, do you actually see evidence of the tariffs leading to inflation or not?
Who knows if we'll ever see real data from the government again?
Well, I mean, he can see it.
We want to see.
But yeah, I mean, the Russell looks fine. I mean, it bounced off the 50 is trying to cross up against the 200, and that's always a good sign. But yeah, I guess this chart is saying maybe rate cuts in September.
I think so. All right, so that's it.
Sorry?
That's SILJ. That's all I got.
Which one?
Silver Jr., SILJ.
Yeah, we'll do that, and then I'm going to start making dinner.
I'm done after that.
Beautiful chart. Actually, do I? No, I don't own this. But I know about this one. Yeah, I mean, this is also cup and handle. I mean, I don't even need to really draw it. This dotted line is the cup and handle is forming now. I mean, I've been bullish metals all year, and I still think they're going to do quite well. I've liked them.
On the negative side, you could argue for a double top here.
Yeah, you could, but I mean, that double top is at 16. So I think we can get back to 16 and then see what happens.
Uh-huh. All right, that's it. Thanks for shouting, John. And let's bring it in.
Let's do some closing thoughts and then
final thoughts. Mal, we'll start with you.
I've been buying and selling things, making, pocket money, if you will, a few $100s here, a few $100s there, just, out of boredom. But I think we are on the recovery. I like today's candle a lot after what happened yesterday. So I'm not sure if there is another leg down. I'm thinking we're just gonna keep going up.
Okay, John.
Yeah, I mean, I'm catching up after 2 weeks, but I think today helped me better understand what I'm gonna try to start doing. My thoughts are, I wanna be cautious on predicting rate cuts for September. I think it's possible, but I still am not convinced. And then I continue to just be really bullish crypto and metals. I mean, I think that the theme of the year for me has been those have shown the most relative strength and overperformance. And it's kind of just what I trust the most based on the narrative. So
I'm thinking of going long silver to metal and silj. That's it for me. Adios amigos and ciao.
Take care,
thanks.
bye.